girl, Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have our brown sugar box. So guys, this box actually was shipping out late to us. It was actually shipped out to me on Friday. And I literally was in here relaxing on Sunday and noticed that the FedEx guy pulled up to my door and it was our box. So I'm like, wow. So it really made it by the end of the month. So guys, if you are not familiar with this box, this is a black lifestyle box, guys. This box has a theme every month and it comes with a t-shirt. The box is $42 plus $8.95 for shipping and handling and taxes, if you're in a state with taxes. So basically this box has a t-shirt and a theme every month. You get some kind of unique item that has black women prints on it, black women with artwork. Really cool box to get, and they try their best to do different little themes every month. So we're going to get right into this month's box and see what our theme is. So this is the lady on the cover of our box here, and we have the spirit of Anaya, and the theme for our box is soul renewal. And the box value for this month is $120. So we're going to go right ahead and get into what came in my box. So guys, the first item that I have, looks like we have some affirmation cards. So guys, this is the Manifest Greatness Affirmation Deck. It is valued at $18. It says, empower your mind daily with this 75 card deck of beautifully illustrated affirmations designed to uplift, motivate, and keep you grounded throughout the journey of self-renewal. So I really love affirmations. And I already have some affirmation cards, but I don't have any that look like this. So this is the front of the cards, which look like the box, guys. But on the back, there's all these different affirmations you can use. So let me just do a few of them. It says, I am a beacon of love, spreading kindness and compassion to everyone that I meet. I have this one here. It says, I am a magnet for good health, maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. And we have another one, and I have this card here, guys, and it says, I am a wellspring of courage, facing my challenges with bravery and determination. I like that. That is so nice. I like affirmations, so that is perfect for me. But let's see what else is in here. So guys, again, these were valued at $18 for the affirmation deck that we received. And then the next item I have, guys, we got a candle. I love candles. So this one is the Soul Renewal Candle. This is valued at $30. And you could have received one of 6 scents. And it says, light the wooden wick candle and let soothing scents of vanilla, amber, ocean breeze, citrus blossom, or sage and sea salt and create an atmosphere of renewal and healing. I like that. So I do have the sage and sea salt one. We do have the wood wick inside. I love the wood wick candle because I love how they burn and they have that crackling sound, sort of like a fireplace. So these are like the best ones to light in the winter time to give you that kind of cozy feeling. But it smells very clean for this sage and sea salt one. It's a very clean smelling scent. So let's go on to the next thing in my box here. So guys, it looks like we were supposed to receive a item, which is why the box is late, that they had an issue with. And they did include this card in our box. And it says the Shea sugar scrub jars arrived to them damaged and they were unable to put them in our subscription boxes. So they did give us a replacement product and went ahead and sent the boxes out. But they are giving us like a $5 credit to use for future purchases or for future boxes. So that's the only reason I didn't flip it over, because it's a code that they asked you not to share so that you can use it for your future boxes. So the replacement item that they did send us, I did receive this beautiful gold kimono. And that was what I received as the replacement for not receiving the Shea body scrub. So this is what I have. So that's not in our actual little magazine here. So that is the item that is the replacement product. So I think this is cute. This has like, it's the gold, and it has the lady with an afro design on the back, like the design of it, and I think it's really cute. And it's perfect for the fall. So I think this gold goes great with anything you want to match with it. Some brown boots, whatever you want to put with it, but I think it's cute. So that's our replacement product for the one that came damaged. So let's go to the next item in here. So we also did receive the brown sugar guide to Inner Peace. So this is volume 6. This is valued at $8, and I do like these because they have like great little information in here, as well as affirmations, like how to do some self-care for yourself. I really enjoy that, so I'm glad that they keep putting this in the box, but I do like it. So this was valued at $8. And then we also got, look at this, a puzzle. And this is a 500-piece puzzle. I love the print. Oh my God, this is beautiful. So this is the 500-piece puzzle. You could have received 1 of 4. It's valued at $24. It says each puzzle is a beautiful representation of us, designed to give you moments of mindful relaxation as you piece together serenity. I think that was really nicely written. And I think this is really cool to have this puzzle. This is something I can't wait to use. Like, soon as it gets cold outside and I'm bored in the house, this is something I can grab a glass of wine, kind of piece this together, and kind of relax my mind a bit and unwind. So I like the idea of this puzzle here. So we also have the shirt of the month. So let me show you guys the shirt of the month. I took it out of the plastic already. So this is our shirt of the month, guys. Isn't it cute? I like it. So the shirt of the month is valued at $25. It says Inner Peace Seeker is the name of this t-shirt. And it says, this soft, vibrant green tea is more than just for shopping. It's a reminder to breathe, find yourself, center yourself, and keep yourself at peace while all making a statement. So I think this is really cute. I like this color green too. So that is cute. So I think that's everything, right? So overall, let's go do a quick review. So everything that came in this box, we have our affirmation set, we have our candle, we have our 500-piece puzzle, we have our brown sugar guides babe to Inner Peace, we have our gold kimono, and we have our t-shirt of the month. The total box value was $120 this month for the theme of Soul Renewal Edition. So I actually like this box. I mean, it works for me. I love like this kind of stuff with the affirmation cards. Love candles. I like the idea of chilling out and actually like letting your mind relax with a puzzle, and that's stuff that we used to do as kids. So I can appreciate that. But yeah, I like this month's box. You guys let me know if you picked this box up. Did we get some of the same items? Did you get something different from me? I would love to hear what you got in the comments below. I love chatting with you guys below. So guys, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and tapping the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!
You know I got